Have you ever wished your backyard felt like an outdoor resort? What if cooking outside became everyone's favorite family activity? Could one pergola completely transform the way you entertain guests? Is it possible to enjoy shade, style, and a full outdoor kitchen together? What features actually make an outdoor kitchen practical all year? Let's explore inspiring pergola kitchen ideas that combine beauty and function.
Welcome you to Architecture Inspiration X, where we share the best ideas and tips for your outdoor and indoor living space. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos which we have planned after this video.
Why build a pergola with an outdoor kitchen? A pergola with a kitchen creates an inviting space where cooking and relaxing happen together. It turns an ordinary backyard into an entertainment destination. Guests naturally gather around food and conversation. The pergola adds shade while defining the outdoor living area. It also increases comfort and visual appeal. Most importantly, it helps you enjoy your backyard more often. Imagine how even one simple upgrade could completely change the way you enjoy your outdoor space. What should every pergola kitchen include? A great layout starts with the essentials. Include enough countertop space for food preparation. Choose durable outdoor cabinets for storage. Add comfortable seating nearby for easy conversation. Proper lighting keeps the space useful after sunset. Every feature should balance convenience and style. Keep watching, because even small design choices can make a surprisingly big difference. Which grill works best under a pergola? The right grill depends on your cooking habits. Gas grills offer convenience and quick heat. Charcoal grills create classic smoky flavors. Built-in grills provide a polished, custom appearance. Always allow proper ventilation and safe clearance. Safety should be part of every beautiful design. The next ideas may help you discover features you never considered before. How do you create a backyard bar everyone loves? A backyard bar doesn't need to be oversized. Simple countertops can become stylish serving stations. Open shelving keeps drinks and accessories organized. Comfortable stools encourage guests to stay longer. Good lighting creates a welcoming atmosphere. Small details often leave the biggest impression. Stay inspired because the following ideas become even more creative and practical. What lighting makes an outdoor kitchen feel inviting? Lighting changes the entire mood of your backyard. String lights create a warm and relaxed ambiance. Pendant lights highlight cooking and dining areas. LED pathway lights improve both safety and style. Accent lighting showcases plants and architectural details. A layered lighting plan makes every evening more enjoyable. Keep exploring, because the smallest lighting upgrade can create the biggest visual impact. How can you make your pergola kitchen comfortable in every season? Add ceiling fans to keep air moving during warm afternoons. Install outdoor heaters for cooler evenings. Weather-resistant curtains provide shade and privacy. A covered roof section protects against light rain. Layered lighting creates a cozy atmosphere after sunset. These upgrades help you enjoy the space year-round. The next ideas show how comfort and style can work together in any outdoor setting. How do you choose the perfect seating arrangement? Think about how many people you usually entertain. A dining table is ideal for shared meals. Bar stools encourage casual conversations while cooking. Lounge seating adds comfort for longer gatherings. Leave enough space for guests to move freely. A balanced layout keeps everyone connected. The following ideas focus on practical details that make outdoor entertaining even easier. What storage solutions keep everything organized? Outdoor cabinets protect cooking tools from the weather. Hidden drawers reduce countertop clutter. Open shelves keep everyday essentials within reach. Hooks organize grilling utensils neatly. Storage benches provide seating and extra space. An organized kitchen always feels more enjoyable to use. Stay with us because the next design tip can instantly elevate your backyard's appearance. Which decorative elements complete the look? Green plants bring life to the entire space. Stone finishes add texture and natural beauty. Colorful cushions make seating more inviting. Outdoor rugs define separate activity zones. Simple decorations create a welcoming atmosphere. The right accents make the space feel truly complete. About to discover ideas that combine beauty with everyday functionality. How can a pergola kitchen increase your home's value? Outdoor living spaces remain highly desirable. A well-designed kitchen adds functional living space. Quality materials improve long-term durability. Thoughtful landscaping enhances overall curb appeal. Buyers appreciate move-in ready outdoor features. It's an investment that benefits both lifestyle and value. There's one final idea that brings everything together into a complete outdoor experience. A pergola with an outdoor kitchen is more than just a beautiful backyard feature. It's a place where meals, conversations, and unforgettable memories come together. From choosing the right pergola material and grill, to adding stylish lighting, comfortable seating, and smart storage, every detail contributes to creating a space that's both functional and inviting. Whether your goal is hosting weekend barbecues, relaxing with family, or increasing your home's value, the right design can completely transform your outdoor living experience. With thoughtful planning and creative inspiration, you can build a backyard that feels like a private retreat and enjoy entertaining in every season.